Okay, shalom, shalom, shalom. Let's come back to you with another unboxing. Yes, we got another unboxing. Remember, I told you guys I was going to be, I am upgrading my home spa. My home is truly my oasis. And I have a little neat bath mat, floor mat for my spa. Isn't that neat? That's neat. Made like feet. Oh, this was so neat. I like it because it's so different. It's different. I like different. So you put your feet on it. I love it. So I got this from off of Amazon. And let me see if I can look this up and see what the price. It wasn't much. Hold on, let me see. I think it was just like yeah, it was just $15.99. And then of course it goes with my decor because my bathroom in my guest bathroom is blue. Yes. So yes. So I am so pleased. It is so cute, so unique, so unique, so unique. Okay, so y'all, thank y'all for tuning in. Please like, share, subscribe, and please hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I am dropping new videos. And also let me know what upgrades you all are working on with your home spa. Shalom.